Hello, everyone. Today is a very exciting day. We are learning Hero's formula. Hero's formula. Wah, bah, bah. Da, da, da. This is Video H Part 1. Video H Part 1. Hero's formula. Okay. I could write out the equation for you and you could be like, oh, what do I do? Or I could just do a couple problems as examples. I think I want to do just a couple problems. But first, you need to know what Hero's formula does. It finds the area of any triangle. Just by knowing its sides. That was terrible, that J right there. Just move out of the way. Okay, excuse me. Just by knowing its apostrophe, its, I never understood that rule. Its sides. Okay, here we go. So, let's say that you have a triangle and you know all three sides. It can be a pretty triangle. It can be an ugly triangle. It can be an isosceles triangle. It can be a equilateral triangle. It can be scalene. It could be a right triangle. But if it was a right triangle, you just use 1/2 base times height. Okay, so maybe, it would still work. Okay, so let's just draw a real ugly triangle like that. No. Come on. Okay, and so let's go 7, 11, and 14. Okay, 7, 11, 14, 7, 11, 14. I was just making up numbers. Here we go. This is a two-step process. Step 1. Find semi-perimeter. And semi-perimeter is just like semicircle. A semicircle is half a circle. A semi-perimeter is half the perimeter. So all you do is say S, that's an S, equals, S stands for semi-perimeter, 7 plus 11, 11 plus 14 divided by 2. You always divide by 2. Because it's half the perimeter, semi-perimeter. Now I'm looking far and wide for my pink calculator. Ha! Found it. Everybody knows that 7 plus 11 plus 14 is 32. And then when you divide by 2, you get 16. That's what S equals. The semi-perimeter, S, equals 16. Okay? That's step 1. Now for step 2. Step 2. Find the area. The area is found by using this equation. Maybe, yeah, you understand. That's area. I'll write the word area. A-R-E-A. Look at all those vowels. Okay, so here's what you do for area. You do S, then you do S minus A, then you do S minus B, then you do S minus C. I can't draw S's. If you guys, well, my students know that for sure. My S's look like that normally, okay, right? But then some students say, is that a 5 or an S? But this one actually looks more like a 5, and so does that one. So I just kind of defeated the whole purpose of me writing slow. Okay. All right, here we go. So the area is, okay, semi-perimeter, 16. Then 16 minus 7. Then 16 minus 11. Then 16 minus 14. There you go. Okay. The directions on the worksheet are going to say round to the 10th. All right, let's do it. Here we go. So, it's 16 times 9 times 5 times 2. Here we go. Everybody knows that 16 times 9 times 5 times 2 is 1440. And then just press your square root button on your calculator. 37.9 inches squared, feet squared, centimeters squared, whatever. Okay, that's it. So, find the semi-perimeter, add up all the sides and divide by 2. Step 2. Then it doesn't matter which one's A or B or C, okay? It doesn't matter. I just went from small to big, 7, 11, 14, okay? But it doesn't matter. It's 16, then 16 minus the first one, then 16 minus the second one, then 16 minus the third one. Multiply those puppies, press the square root button. Let's do another one where there's decimals. Ready, set, go. All right, here's another triangle. Pachoon, pachoon, pachoon. That guy's looking good. Okay, let's do 5, 11, and 13. Okay, 5, 11, and 13. So you're thinking, this is pretty doggone close to the other problems. 7, 11, 14. I did 5, 11, 13. Okay, what could be different? Well, let's find out. Semi-perimeter, that's an S, is 5 plus 11 plus 13 divided by 2. It's always divided by 2. So, everybody knows that 5 plus 11 plus 13 is 29. And you're like, well, tartar sauce. And then you divide by 2. And you get 14.5. You cannot round that. That is the semi-perimeter. Okay? So then, here's my formula. Area. S. S minus A. S minus B. S minus C. Okay. This is the one that's not so much fun. So it's going to be 14.5, but then I'm going to save a little time, okay? I'm going to do 14.5 minus 5 and get 9.5. Then I'm going to do 14.5 minus 11 and get 3.5. Then I'm going to do 14.5 minus 13, 1.5. Okay, then I'm going to multiply all those puppies out. 14.5 times 9.5 times 3.5 times 1.5. Hit equals and get a grande number. 723.2. I'm double checking my numbers. 723.2. Gotta be careful. Okay, And so then you do the square root of that, and you get about 26.9. And that's it. That's Hero's formula, okay? All I want you to do today is just, let's see, 2 through 12 even, okay? You do not have to do 1 through 11 odds, okay? So just do for today numbers 2 through 12 evens. Okay? Round to the 10th. Go back through and watch my video again. The first example, I wrote out everything. The second example, I just subtracted in my calculator first and then wrote down the number. So that's about it. Okay, so that is Hero's formula. Tomorrow is the fun one. Sorry. Brahmagupta's formula. Brahmagupta! It's a great formula. I think you're going to like it. And you're going to say, did Brahmagupta steal that from Hero? And I'll be like, no, but, you know, like they lived on other sides of the planet. And it's really, really pretty similar. Okay? So all you have to do is 2 through 12 evens. That's it today. Just Hero's formula, not Brahmagupta. Brahmagupta, baby. Okay. I'm waiting until the 12-minute mark for this video to be done. And I say to you, good day.